LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com, select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the laptop battery. Remove the screws. Remove the plastic bezel. Remove the screws. Remove the optical drive. Remove the screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Remove the cover. Turn the laptop over. Gently pry out the hard drive. Remove the hard drive cover. We will now install the new hard drive. Slide the hard drive back in the laptop. Place the screws back in. Place the optical drive back in. That's all. You just replaced your laptop hard drive. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.